pollution. We live on the planet Earth. Earth is a unique planet. It supports life. It becomes our duty to save our planet. Today, it is suffering badly because of pollution. Pollution has really affected our environment. Let's have a look at various types of pollution. Now, children, it is for you to decide which environment do you prefer, clean or polluted? Sometimes, noise can also be a hindrance in our daily working. Thus, pollution is mixing of unwanted components in air. Air pollution leads to problems like cough, headache, asthma, etc. If we live in clean environment, we will be saved from so many problems. Hence, let us pledge to save our environment.